Welcome everyone. Welcome to Amazing Facts About India. Wish you a very happy and prosperous new year. Did you know that India used to be an island more than 100 million years ago? About 50 million years ago, it collided with the Asian continent and thus born the Himalayas. Fascinating, isn't it? With over a billion people from all kinds of religions and ethnicities, India is not only the second most populated country, but it also has in store some mind blowing facts and achievements under its belt. The number one, 5,000 years old, Varanasi is one of the oldest inhabited places in the world. Situated on the banks of river Ganga and represented in the parliament by the country's PM Narendra Modi, the holy city of Banaras or Varanasi is at least 3,000 years old. According to Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva found this city 5,000 years ago. Number 2. A meteor formed the breathtaking Lonar Lake in Maharashtra, a 4-hour drive from Aurangabad and doubling as Maharashtra's best kept secret. This lake was created by a plummeting meteor about 52,000 years ago. Travel enthusiasts must not miss this astronomical marvel and the temples around it. Number 3. Mysterious anti-gravity hill in Ladakh, which is called Magnetic Hill. With the anti-gravitational effect, this is the only magnetic hill in India, landmarked by a yellow notice board that spells out instructions and asks you to place your car on neutral gear right on the spot marked by white paint. This one will leave you in awe as your car will begin to move uphill on its own. Number 4. The only country with a Bill of Rights for cows. From the moment an Indian is born, he has two mothers, one his birth mother and the other one is Gaumata. Cows are believed to be holy in Hinduism, and the constitution has set a rules place that prevents the sale and slaughter of cows. Number 5. Shani Shingnapur is village where the houses don't have doors, attracting over 40,000 devotees each day due to a 300 years old legend. This village in Maharashtra features establishments without any doors and locks. Its residents sleep soundly as they believe Lord Shani to be the guardian of the town. Number 6. The tiny village of Madhupatti is called the Officers' Village of India. A small village in the Jaunpur district of Uttar Pradesh, Madhupatti has created history by producing the most number of IAS officers. With about 75 households, it has given 47 officers. Number 7. The largest number of vegetarians in the world. Are you a vegetarian? You will fit right in here. With the majority of the population following Hinduism, around 29% to 40% of the people are vegetarians. Number 8. The largest producer of milk. India is the world's biggest producer and consumer of dairy. Milk production totals 140 billion liters a year. Our country is self-sufficient in dairy with demand growing 4.5% year on year. Ninth, world's first hospital train. Living true to its name, the Lifeline Express aka the Jeevan Rekha Express is the world's first hospital train taking its services ranging from surgeries to cancer treatment to remote villages. Number 10th, the highest motorable road in the world. The world's highest motorable road greets you at Ladakh at an elevation of over 19,300 feet. Bike enthusiasts take note because little fact about India could bring about a new adrenaline filled adventure for you. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Jai Hind.